But you're just fast, they are watching the crazy. So that was one job, baby. I could walk. Slow down, we can then slow down. Very down. It's hard with. We're getting use of it. We were with the sky. I get you alive. I made the trophy alive. I wish you anything. But you're just best. They are watching the clear now. So then I was what? 8/16 chapati. Nothing well after roti. This is well after roti. 8/16 chapati. The next one, 50 grams of carbs, 3 grams of protein, 0.4 grams of fat, and 31 calories. Wheat also contains a protein a protein called as gluten. It acts like a binder, holding food together and adding a stretchy quality. Gluten may also act as a prebiotic, bring the good bacteria in our bodies. Making rotis. Dough is made using flour, water, salt, and ghee. Now roll out few balls and prepare dough. Place it on a flat surface rather than further will help after rolling pin. Keep using the flour in order to prevent the rolls from sticking to the surface. Once the chapatis get glassy, cook it on a heated pan. Now roti is ready to eat and service. Bye. MSN.